why are chilies hot? Okay, Laddu Mama answers everything, so I'll answer this.
Laddu Mama, tell us why your chili is hot.
Oh, yeah, I was studying. You never let me study. What is it? Okay, why are chilies hot? Okay, Laddu Mama answers everything, so I'll answer this. You know what? To understand why chilies are hot, you should understand the very importance of the concept of the survival of the fittest. You know what? Every living organism that has went through the path of evolution has developed some characteristic that would help it to survive. And just like that, this specific characteristic of being hot has been developed by the chili plants over the process of evolution so that animals wouldn't eat them. But well, human beings have figured out a way of how to make chilies a part of their cuisine. And interestingly, these chilies in various parts of the world are hated by animals, like no animals eat them. But at the same time, they never irritate birds because birds help chilies to pollinate and grow in various places. That's how interesting is evolution. But that might be a little complex for you, so I'll quickly tell you why are chilies hot. And the answer is very simple. Many people think that it's the skin of the chilies that is hot. Some people think it's the seeds that are hot. And some people think, the whole chili is hot. But the truth is that the placenta part of the chili is the only one that is really hot. So if you look at a cross section, or probably if you cut a chili into half, you would see a thin stripe, whitish colored thing. That is what we call as the placenta of a chili, and that part is the one which is really hot. And now why is the placenta hot? Is because it has a very interesting chemical called capsaicin. So capsaicin is the chemical that causes a burning sensation on the glands that recognize heat on your tongue, which again is a survival mechanism that human beings have developed, wherein the tongue would indicate to the brain that you are eating something really too spicy or really too hot, which might in turn damage your stomach or probably increase your acidity, so on and so forth. But some of us don't care and go ahead and keep eating chilies. That's a different story. But whole of these are bundled by the single idea of survival of the fittest, or a survival mechanism that creatures have developed during the evolution. Now, the placenta being hot is one thing. Another interesting aspect of capsaicin is that capsaicin does not dissolve in water. And that is why many people do this mistake, that they had something very hot or something very chilly and they suddenly start, oh my god, it's burning, I'll have some water, get me some water. But unfortunately, water doesn't really quench the heat of the chilies. It only momentarily makes you feel that it is cooling down, but immediately you would still feel the burning sensation on your tongue on the gums, in the throat, and everywhere. And the reason for that is that capsaicin does not dissolve in water. Alternatively, capsaicin dissolves in any kind of fats, and that is why if you drink a full fat glass of milk, or if you have a scoop of ice cream, or probably if you have even a spoonful of yogurt, the heat would come down drastically and very quickly, because in these milk and milk related products there are fats which can dissolve capsaicin. Isn't that an interesting story? So next time if you have a cup of yogurt next to you, go ahead and try this. Bite a chili and see what happens. And that is the reason why chilies are hot. Simple answer, capsaicin. Long answer, survival. Now can I go back to studying, please?